40 was my lowest skilled class. It was the last class of the day. It was awful. Half of them failed.
Oh my god.
It was, and I work really hard with my failing kids. You know, I make them come in at lunch, I call their home, give them what they need, and it's just like,
Is it usually from the background where they are coming from? Or
yeah, although I find other kids from the same background that are resilient. You know, sometimes it really depends on their parent.
Yeah.
And, oh, there's 2 bunnies.
Oh. Yeah.
See the other one over the ledge? Yeah. You know, so many factors. Trauma. You know, a lot of these kids have experienced witnessing someone killed. And, you know, avoidant parents or